Hi, I am Patrícia Zanella, co-founder of EcoCiclo. I'm here to present Amiga, a digital health platform that uses AI to recognize menstrual and reproductive health partners, promote preventive care, and support scientific research. At registration, users input menstrual history, lifestyle habits, and key data like race, income, and access to healthcare system. This helps us explore partners between symptoms and social determinants of health. The dashboard offers a full overview of user cycle, from symptom tracking to hydration, BMI, and sleep. Our AI engine identifies partners and sends personalized alerts for preventive care. Each day, users log water intake, sleep, cervical mucus, and emotions through our inclusive body diary. It's designed for accessibility even in low literacy contexts. Based on user inputs, Amiga delivers health insights, hydration types, and knowledge for medical follow-up. Users also access science-based education courses and articles adapted to their cycle phase. Amiga is more than an app. It is a tool for equity, data justice, and better menstrual health, designed by and for women who have been left out of the system. We are building a future where menstrual health is public health. Thank you so much.